magana yu tianda kwa nigenteke the kind of leadership we community ego twara ego depend about the quality of individuals moko beka into leadership. You've had in Jerome Mheshimiwa Poka articulate issues ngora up to now Mheshimiwa Poko tabwana na tibono montole siko gao tabu atikendi tangana bwate gentonere ago isaransa segete obanga nare ngo sukumari bita se community ingi kiagera na kwa na boyo nteke tenkwa an example about Kibagendi Ubungo South 2017 ena renge bunge onyonga torangereti onyonga wosu mu bunge that time inje na Kibagendi gotorororo onyonga introduces us agato introduces Moses Kuria jena Kibagendi agatebi Moses Kuria umumuroyo mubwato koboko nabakonye chikura akanga introduce lakini asenga injo Jimmy na aragupinga Jimmy abwate issues Jimmy agakani onyonga ngatiga no mumuro kondwa ni arangurekero lakini onyonga asenga njare ngo mubunge na handa abwate nkolengia agasuma onyonga ogerete Kibagendi acha kwa gwe service of the deputy president from that meeting to arenge bunge oise kurigereria abarai tubwate bono they did not attend that meeting oise kurigereria you know tiangote people mine a problem tubwate usinenda mwa right you only call people at convenience na boto kuranga to discuss development no Mheshimiwa Poka teba which is okay and I've several told you Mheshimiwa Kibagendi to wacha akorwania serikali from the day kwa so etebunge mpaka kauru abantu bangwa kana wale tax like hata Kenyans ile barabunga kibakoba you need to be wise weke serikali yangi onyetenga karanga ebintu onyore go korwo towards the end borwa rorige binte binga enda mwamunere gusi mwana minto tangote bintu nakora naboyo musike omingo magara tukomera ne TV station in Nairobi utwakora aliria achorirwe secretary was it a treasurer ya UDA ma secretary treasurer ya UDA abankwa nambale very close but the president bon akoma bolinga ngwano twalenge na mwalenge na era tandi is our good friend right magara made sure onsali irieta nteke tenkwane ebintu kuri gusi that is why ekerongorora magara batanga ni no bakobanga magana amatyangi egonkwira na back na ararigiriri you understand ekerong Mheshimiwa Poka arari na bwate nkolengi yomanyete na handi na arabiti diplomatic ngotakarora so asigitora weye bintu ligereri ekena ndi twatira ari nyantrago riryo gotebyo musike kindi kinga ingalao numira nene president imotebya mangana habira atatu
alinza chinda atari kumwekera kuri sabana
yes atari kumwekera the president took it puya sana na handaga kwa shwanga I will tell him on your appointment yomara but do you know mbale barenga ari bafiritinga gawo ikongo cyane ko beturete bakaenda bakagenga bakateba ngomuntu itaikange
na era bakareka ka siasa gose
naro siasa erusi usi nagira tengo ya bwate nkolengiya no wenginga mbagengete still wende tiaga isarasa kabategere injata nditingo korabo ni manyetenga obogengi mbororo kurusi tuga na baraito koraki tugo twara what we saying umwana minto nyone nyasao koire muna teba iguru ya Chafet Nyakundi during the Moi era krato na gotera nyayo ekaro Kibaki achete etwaro chenga the world has changed singin Kibaki akole ekaro Jimmy Arua Chafet yakora nero oro ringi world yache
change
na inja tande kunda aje na bira change beta untegara so Mheshimiwa na bira change beta so because of the environment political environment toro but again tukioka nda agree with Mheshimiwa masikani yatu tutwara sabara yetu but we articulate issues toro chinga nechimbe chochitwa chikwana opening this is right. Wrong inko ira nigente kate banga ntu kwisi basi matiangi saying njale presidential. I agree with him. Because election is 2027. Uroche ndetu ya kurubana paka 2027 tata ngakioja kusanginga kia yindi. Wana tiganda ikange goikero musikeruto kongo nyolenjera tuhakwana kongo nyora kende na habogolia kongo twaletera abantu 2027 we make a decision from there. That is politics of money. Yes.